everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Durban Gen from the 15th to the 28th of March 2021 on Monday. Ahanta goes behind Sibusiso's back to convince Lindelani to give Mbali his kidney. Precious and Sibusiso get into their first lovers tiff over Mbali. On Tuesday, Mbali and Sibusiso rekindle their romance. Nandi lies to her father and accepts her inevitable fate. Nkabinde puts more pressure on Sne to pay out on Wednesday. Ngoba makes a grave mistake that could cost a patient's life. Mbali's health becomes an issue again. Sne and MacGyver have their hands full as their operation may be exposed on Thursday. Will Sibusiso's desperate and extreme act to get Mbali a donor pays off? Is Ngobo cut out for Durban General or does he spirally too out of control? Sne and MacGyver's business thrive, but are the superiors on to Sne? On Friday, Thabo takes a law into his own hands when he comes face to face with his hijackers. Lindelani changes his mind about donating his kidney to Mbali, but it seems he is little too late. Sne finally managed to pay off Nkabinde's outstanding ROI and feels a huge weight lifted off her shoulders, but it seems another problem is brewing with her new side hustle. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.